there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers. How long does it take to cook a whole pig on a spit? Now there are so many variables which will affect how long it's going to take you to cook a whole pig. One of them is how big the pig is. I personally like to cook quite small pigs, around about 15 or maximum 20 kilos. A pig that size is going to take you roughly 4 to 5 hours. Now, if you get a much larger pig from a local farm, you could really be looking at anywhere from 6 up to 8 hours. So make sure that you allow plenty of time. One hot tip that I definitely recommend is always having the pig outside warming up a little bit and bringing it up to room temperature. Never take the pig straight out of the cool room or the ice bath and put it onto the spit. Also be mindful of whatever the ambient temperature is, because obviously the cooler temperature is it outside, the longer it's going to take to cook. And also be mindful of where you position the spit, because the wind will also affect your cooking times as well. Make sure that you have an instant read thermometer handy. That way you can pierce the fleshiest part of the pig to make sure it's cooked all the way through before you take it off. If you'd like to stay connected and keep upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, post a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.